Then there's also been changes to the meta tools as well. If we, as you might know, in LeapSeed, you can have commenting on any object. So, if I wanted to add a comment saying, I like the LeapSeed logo. It does a quick refresh, takes you to your comment. Your comment has been submitted. Go back to the page you were viewing, and we can then see the comment. And as an administrator, okay, I maybe I should like the comment, but in case I don't, I can delete it. And it does a whole page refresh, and it's gone now, which is fine. It's good functionality. With LeapSeed 6, we've taken the Ajax bent on it. So if I say I like LeapSeed 6 logo better, does a quick Ajax call and just rebuilds the list in line on the page. And likewise, if I'm an administrator and I have rights to the delete page, it doesn't take me out of the workflow. If I'm going through, say, 30 comments and through the list and I'm just deleting as I see fit, I don't have to do a page reload each time. So from a site administrator standpoint, it's much easier. There's also been updates to our topic linking, our linking items. If we wanted to say if we wanted to link, say, the front page to some other record, let's say we create a see also link, it had to refresh the page once so that we get this panel update. And if we decided that we didn't want to link after all, we'd have to do another page refresh. But in the event we went after all, we decided to do a link. Let's go to, I think calendar allows for only no sections do. So if we complete the link, then it takes us back to the place where we started it, and now we have a linked item. In the new panel, any action except for the last part is done through Ajax. So if we start an item connection, we don't refresh the whole page. Likewise, if I decide if that was a mistaken click and I want to clear it, I just do that. We do have it though, so that if you're on the record object you're linking to, if you click connect items, then it will still take you back to the original page, and that's not an Ajax behavior. Sorry, let me go back up here. We also there's also been work on the topic linking tool. If you're on the front page and you want to link a topic, and let's say you update the topic tree, this no longer requires a refresh. In the old version, if you had done that, it would have refreshed the entire page and broken you out of whatever you were doing, or worse yet, if you were filling out a form or something and you just did that, you'd lose your work. So essentially, the Ajax refresh is much less of a disruptive thing. On our topic tree tool, there's also been updates to making modifications to the topic tree easier to make through drag and drop interfaces and inline renaming tools as well. On the old interface, it was more form driven and really a lot slower to do. It was more like, okay, well, I want to rename this, click on it, rename topic, then refresh the whole thing. If you have a large topic tree and every single time it refreshes, it really takes you out of whatever point you're working on. So the new pop-up methods for managing the tree are much more efficient. Add, remove comments, topic tree. And then, just as a final thing, we ship with the standard calendar module and currently, if the existing site, if we wanted to, browse the different dates, you can see it, the refreshes take us to the top continuously, where in the new version, this is Ajax powered now. So, it's a much smoother progression through the dates. And underneath this, we've built a JavaScript library couple functions that are very easy to implement to get the refresh indicator going, the plug in the proper content.